Inceptive Mind, follow emerging tech. China's gigantic twin-engine, long-endurance armed UAV emerges by Amit Merwa. September 27th, 2021. 1 minute read. Let's see if it's a 1 minute read. From September 28th to October 3rd, during China's big international air show in Zhuhai City, South China's Guangdong province, the developers will display plenty of exciting aircraft models. One of them is China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation's Caihong Rainbow 6, better known as the CH-6. The CH-6 is a large, high-altitude, high-speed, long-endurance, multi-purpose unmanned aircraft system. The high-altitude, long-endurance HALE unmanned system is designed for intelligence gathering, support, and strike roles. Also, the device is distinguished by great flight range and carrying capacity. In terms of design, the new drone looks like the previous model, the CH-5, with the only difference that it has a high T-tail setup, with two jet engines installed atop the tail section side by side, and the shape of the mid-set long wings is slightly modified. The high-fidelity renderings of the jet also show that the aircraft has a notable chine line-like edge that wraps around its ellipse-shaped fuselage. According to ChinaArms.com, which claims to have the basic information that will be displayed about the CH-6 at the air show, the CH-6 UAV boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 7.8 tons, a maximum load capacity of 300 kilograms, reconnaissance type or 2 tons reconnaissance attack type, and fuel capacity of 3.42 tons reconnaissance type or 1.72 tons reconnaissance attack type. The combat drone has an overall length of 15 meters, the height of 5 meters, and wingspan of 20.5 meters. The CH-UAV can achieve a maximum level flight speed of 800 kilometers per hour or 500 mph miles per hour, cruise speed of 500 kilometers per hour to 700 kilometers per hour, 310 to 435 mph, cruise altitude of 10 kilometers or 6 miles, the ceiling of 12 kilometers or 7.4 miles, a maximum endurance of 20 hours reconnaissance type or 8 hours reconnaissance attack type, a maximum range of 12,000 kilometers or 456 miles, reconnaissance type or 4,500 kilometers, 2,796 miles, reconnaissance attack type, a maximum climb rate of 20 meters per second, and an operating radius apparent of 300 kilometers or 186 miles. In terms of takeoff weight, this is one of the largest UAVs in China, which moreover can be used as an aerial long-term stationary platform. The CH-6 armed UAV also has the capacity to mount a variety of loads such as early warning radar, electronic reconnaissance, air-to-ground missiles, air-to-ground bombs, anti-radiation missiles, etc. Inceptive Mind news and media website like I did. Thanks for listening.